Escape the noise and step into the heart of nature. Welcome to the nature camp where adventure meets serenity. Pitch your tent under the open sky. Walk along unexplored trails. Breathe in the freshness of the wild. Feel the purity of nature with a refreshing river bath. And experience the healing touch of the earth with a mud bath, a natural therapy for your body and soul. Step back in time and enjoy the simple joys of village life, playing traditional games, laughing with loved ones, and embracing the beauty of slow living. Let nature guide you into a state of deep relaxation and mindfulness. Experience the power of yoga in its purest form. Surrounded by the sounds of chirping birds, flowing water, and the gentle morning breeze. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced yogi, our sessions will help you find balance, clarity, and inner strength, leaving you refreshed and re-energized. Pause, breathe, spend time with your family, away from screens, and cherish the beauty of simple moments in nature. Are you ready for an unforgettable experience? Join us at the Nature Camp. Disconnect from screens, reconnect with nature.